Hello everyone, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix the black screen in Dota 2, so let's get started. For the first method, go open the Steam launcher, after that go to library and select collections, search for Dota 2 and select it, go to the gear icon which is manage, after that go to properties, from here go to installed files in the left menu, and make sure you select verify integrity of game files, that way any corrupted file will be recovered. Now for the second method, go to the Windows search bar, search for settings, once this pop up, in the left menu go to Windows Update, which is the last one. After that make sure you install and check for the latest updates and download all of them right here. After doing that, make sure to go to the Windows icon and reset your computer. For the next method, in the search bar, search for NVIDIA, open it, once this pop up, go to drivers in the left menu and make sure to install the latest drivers. The reinstall button should be displayed like this. If so, you should be good to go. For the next method, go to the search and search for device manager. Now this tab will pop up. After that, go to processors, open it, and then make sure you update your CPU right here. Right click and then select update driver. After that, select search automatically for drivers. After that, select close and make sure to do that for every single one of these. After that, you should be good to go. You just need to restart your computer and then you can launch Dota 2 without any issues. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.